A custom-built 10-ton calcining furnace is currently in production. Workers meticulously oversee every detail to ensure stable equipment performance. This unit efficiently handles mineral calcination and slag processing, enhancing material purity and utilization rates while serving diverse industries including building materials and metallurgy. During operation, it delivers stable output with low energy consumption and minimal noise. Its fully sealed structure prevents dust leakage, while the integrated exhaust purification system ensures emissions meet regulatory standards. Combining environmental protection with efficiency, it provides reliable support for large-scale industrial production.